Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Kabsa, which is an Arab Gulf dish that I really love. It's very popular. So if you want to know how to make it, please keep on watching. Alright, first we need 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper and 2 onions, 5 cloves of garlic and 1 chili pepper. I'm just gonna chop it. And I crushed the garlic. And this is 1 whole chicken. You can use the amount you want and the chunks you like. And this is basmati rice. And this is the spices that we're gonna use in today's recipe, and everything is listed in the description box, so don't worry guys, you don't need to memorize anything. Using here curry powder and cumin, ground coriander seeds, and this is turmeric, and this is all spices. This is very optional. Black pepper and paprika, and finally salt. Alright, I'm gonna mention something here. You can use whatever you have in your kitchen, and not necessarily that you use all of those stuff. So I have 3 bay leaves and rosemary, tiny cinnamon sticks, and cardamom seeds, and this is dried chili pepper, and this is black pepper seeds, and I have 2 black lemon or black dried lemon. Alright, this is all what we're gonna use in this recipe. Now let's start cooking. This is vegetable oil, and I'm using ghee here. You can use butter if you like. Add the onion and the garlic, and just stir them a bit. And let it cook until we get this beautiful color. Now add the chicken. And add those spices. And now add the powdered spices. Stir the chicken a bit. And now add the vegetables. Stir again. And now it's time to add water. Add the tomato paste and the salt, and let it cook. We really want the chicken to be cooked pretty well. Put on the lid and let it boil. And this is the chicken. It's very soft and cooked pretty well, as you can see. I'm just gonna take it out and put it in the oven. I'm not gonna cook it or anything, but I just want to bake it from the top just to give it a beautiful color. Now add the washed rice. And the water should be 1 centimeter above the rice. You can just look at it and see if it's above the rice or not. And now when you reach this point, you want to cook the rice on a low heat. And now the rice is done and it absorbed all the water. If you taste it and think that it's not done yet, you can add hot water to it and let it cook again until it's cooked pretty well. And I'm just transferring the rice to a serving plate. Here I'm just putting the chicken on top of the rice because this is our way of serving kabsa or any other rice dishes. And this is roasted nuts. I'm using almond here, cashew and raisin. This looks really appetizing actually. Garnish with some parsley. And that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and see you very soon. Bye!